having personally navigated the frustration of Windows 11 Secure Boot update failures, and after extensive testing, I found reliable solutions. I'm excited to share multiple effective ways to resolve these common system problems with you now. First, check your UEFI Secure Boot settings. Updates often fail if these basic security configurations are incorrect. Correcting them helps your computer and Windows communicate properly, allowing updates to succeed. Second, update your BIOS or UEFI firmware. Old firmware might not support new Windows 11 Secure Boot updates. A firmware update provides the latest instructions, improving compatibility and fixing update blocks. Third, run the System File Checker SFC. Corrupted Windows files can stop Secure Boot updates. SFC finds and repairs these broken files. This helps to fix Windows 11 Secure Boot update failed problems by ensuring system components are healthy. Lastly, use Windows installation media for external repair. When Windows is stuck, booting from a USB allows access to powerful recovery options. This fixes deep boot issues, preventing updates, safely bringing your computer back to normal.